1989 stock market crash. I have the deepest sympathy for those who are now ragged, hungry, and homeless.
Ragged? Hungry?